You're back on Casual Comfort. Here you'll learn how to dress elegantly and effortlessly. And today we're heading to the sun-soaked streets of Italy, land of espresso, effortless beauty, and style that speaks without saying a word. If you've ever dreamed of walking the cobbled lanes of Florence or sipping limoncello on a terrace in Capri looking like you belong, this video is your guide. Because blending in with Italian style isn't about labels or trends, it's about understanding the art of polished, unfussy beauty. In this video, we'll walk through 10 outfit combinations that look exactly like what a fashionable local would wear, whether they're picking up fresh produce at the market or heading to an evening aperitivo. These looks are chic, breathable, travel-friendly, and designed to make you feel like you're living la dolce vita. Cardigan, sleeveless lace top, and a pink pleated skirt. This outfit is the definition of soft romance, and it fits beautifully with the vibe of cities like Florence or Verona. A delicate sleeveless lace top adds a touch of femininity without being too flashy. It whispers elegance, which Italians are masters of. Pair it with a pale pink pleated skirt. Midi length is key here. Italians love structure and flow in one piece, and pleats offer both. A light cardigan in a creamy neutral like ivory or oat will layer beautifully and help you transition from cool morning walks to warm afternoons. Finish with ballet flats or tan leather sandals. Add delicate gold jewelry and maybe a tiny woven bag, and you've got a look that says I'm a local, not I'm a tourist. This outfit is perfect for visiting museums, grabbing a gelato, or taking a Vespa ride through the countryside. Black long dress, Hermes Oran sandals, and a bandana. A long black dress, lightweight, flowy, slightly fitted at the waist, is a staple in Italy. Whether you're heading to a seaside town or spending the day in Rome, a dress like this moves with you and always looks polished. Now slide into a pair of tan Hermes Oran sandals or a similar dupe. The silhouette matters more than the brand. These sandals are clean, minimal, and timeless. Italian women don't chase logos, they chase style that lasts. Here's where you can add your personal flair, a printed bandana worn as a headscarf. Channel a little bit of old-school Sophia Loren glamour with a modern twist. Choose a silk or cotton piece with a pop of color, red, navy, mustard. Add bold gold hoops and an oversized tote, and you're ready for a boat ride, a market stroll, or just to sit by the sea looking perfectly put together. Red button-down top, denim shorts, and Birkenstock clogs. Yes, Italian summer style can be casual, but never sloppy. This outfit is about mastering relaxed charm with attention to detail. Choose a slightly oversized red button-down shirt, one that can be worn tucked in or tied at the waist. Roll up the sleeves. This gives you that just threw it on energy that still looks totally put together. Now add a pair of high-waisted denim shorts, not too short, not too distressed. Italians love denim, but they keep it classy. Think clean lines, fitted but relaxed. And here's the twist. Instead of sneakers, go for Birkenstock clogs in soft leather or suede. Yes, Birks are trending in Italy, especially the more minimal styles. They give that earthy, grounded vibe without sacrificing comfort. Finish with a rattan bag, minimal gold jewelry, and maybe a spritz in hand. This look is perfect for seaside towns like Cinque Terre or wandering cobblestone paths in the afternoon sun. If you're loving these looks so far, don't forget to take a second and subscribe to Casual Comfort if you haven't already. It really helps us grow this stylish community, and we'd love to have you along for the journey. And while you're at it, give this video a like and let us know in the comments. Which outfit are you most excited to try on your next Italian escape? Or tell us where in Italy you're dreaming of visiting. White top, leopard satin skirt, and pointed sandals. There's something about a white top in Italy. It's simple, clean, and always in style. But when paired with a leopard satin midi skirt, the look instantly becomes elevated and sensual, while still feeling approachable. This outfit is ideal for strolling through cobbled streets, visiting boutiques, or grabbing aperitivo at a stylish cafe. Go for a classic white blouse or a minimal tank tucked into the skirt. The fluid motion of the satin gives your silhouette that beautiful Italian femininity, while the leopard print adds attitude, because Italian women are never afraid to stand out. Finish the look with pointed sandals or kitten heels in black or nude tones, a woven mini bag, and delicate gold hoops. This is the kind of outfit that whispers sophistication, but winks with a little sass. Black dress and knee-length boots. For evening elegance or slightly cooler days in Italy, this combination is classic Italian drama done right. Start with a simple black dress. It could be midi or just above the knee, sleeveless or long sleeve depending on the season. The silhouette should hug your body slightly but still allow movement. Think sophisticated, not bodycon. Now add knee-length leather boots, black or rich brown. This combo is often seen in cities like Milan or Florence during spring or fall. Italian women wear boots with everything, and when paired with a dress, it feels bold but feminine. A sleek handbag and some red lipstick, and you're ready for dinner in a piazza, an evening concert, or just a night out where you want to turn heads in the most refined way possible. This outfit is about quiet power, and every step you take will echo that message. Blazer, white tank top, and tailored pants. Italians adore tailored clothing, and this combination is something you'll see on every stylish local from Milan to Rome. Start with a lightweight, softly structured blazer. Choose a neutral color, beige, taupe, or soft sage, something that gives effortless chic without being too formal. Underneath, a crisp white tank adds modern freshness. It's the perfect contrast, casual but intentional. Now the magic happens with the pants. Go for high-waisted, tailored trousers with a relaxed leg. Think soft cream, pale gray, or even a cool navy. You want that slightly androgynous silhouette that Italian women wear so well, polished, powerful, but not fussy. Pair it with classic sneakers like white leather or slip into backless loafers for added Italian polish. A pair of black sunglasses, a leather crossbody bag, and you're good to go. This look is perfect for shopping, lunch at a sidewalk cafe, or visiting stylish neighborhoods where the fashion speaks louder than words. Red long sleeve top, mom jeans, and leopard heels. Red is a power color in Italy, bold, romantic, and unapologetically confident. Choose a long sleeve red knit or fitted top to pair with your favorite high-waisted mom jeans for a look that's equal parts casual and commanding. The contrast between the relaxed denim and the fiery top captures the effortless balance Italian women do so well. Now the best part? The leopard heels. This unexpected pop adds a playful twist and makes the whole look feel elevated. It's not too much, it's just enough. Throw on a pair of cat-eye sunglasses, a red lip if you're feeling bold, and you're ready to explore Rome, Venice, or wherever your Italian adventures take you. If you're enjoying these stylish Italian outfit ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Casual Comfort if you haven't already. A like and a comment go a long way to support the channel. Let us know, which of these looks would you wear on your dream trip to Italy? Or if you've already been, what was your favorite travel outfit? We love reading your stories in the comments. White flowy dress and Hermes Oran sandals. Nothing says Italian summer quite like a white flowy dress. Whether you're on the Amalfi Coast, walking through olive groves in Tuscany, or visiting a sun-drenched piazza, this look is dreamy and breathable. Opt for cotton or linen to stay cool and elegant, even under the Mediterranean sun. Pair it with Hermes Oran sandals, or a similar flat leather sandal in tan or camel. It's minimalist, sleek, and so authentically Italian. This combination is one you'll see on stylish locals walking through Positano or sipping an espresso outside a cafe in Capri. Add a straw tote bag, oversized sunglasses, and your favorite perfume, because looking beautiful in Italy is all about the feeling you carry. Red polo, white balloon skirt, and flat shoes. If you're visiting cities like Florence or Milan, this next look brings playful volume and a nod to vintage flair. Start with a red polo top. It's structured, sporty, and surprisingly chic when styled right. Tuck it into a white balloon skirt that hits mid-calf for that perfect balance of drama and elegance. The voluminous shape of the skirt creates movement and interest, and when paired with flat ballet shoes or loafers, you stay comfortable without sacrificing style. The red and white color combo is sharp and clean, and very European. This is the kind of outfit that makes people turn their heads for all the right reasons. You look like you belong, like you know the best gelato spot in town, because you probably do. Beige vest and short set. Neutral tones reign supreme in Italy, especially in the summer. A beige vest and tailored short set is the epitome of modern Italian minimalism. It's clean, smart, and breathable, making it perfect for warmer cities like Rome or Naples. Choose a vest that buttons neatly and has a slight structure, paired with high-waisted shorts that elongate your legs. Underneath, you can go with a bandeau or crop tank, or wear the vest on its own for a more fashion-forward vibe. Add simple sandals, a small crossbody bag, and gold-rimmed sunglasses. This outfit shows confidence through understatement, which is very Italian. They don't overdress, they dress just right. Italy is more than just a place, it's a feeling. And when you dress like a local, you're not just blending in, you're tapping into a lifestyle that values beauty, confidence, and grace in the everyday. Whether you lean into soft romance with lace and pleats, or classic tailoring with blazers and pants, the key to Italian style is balance. Feminine yet grounded. Relaxed yet elevated. Comfortable but always considered. So, as you plan your trip or dream of your next Italian getaway, remember, it's not about overpacking. It's about choosing pieces that help you feel like the best version of yourself, wherever you go. Thank you for watching Casual Comfort, where we bring you timeless style with a modern, feminine twist. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to join us. And tell us below, which of these Italian-inspired outfits would you wear tomorrow if you could? Until next time, keep dressing with grace, confidence, and comfort.